The mic is in the car.
Okay.
I think it's, what's it called? DJI? DJI.
Yeah, DJI, you right.
I got that shit in the car right now. And I got the Osmo Pro. The Osmo 3 or whatever it's called in the house.
But you got everything, the glasses.
Yeah, I got everything.
So that's what I'm saying.
I'm about to buy the real camera now, the Sony shit.
The DV.
Yeah, I don't know if it's a TV. What?
You're late.
I'm late?
Yes, sir.
What's going on?
You should have been here.
See the new piece there.
The new piece?
Yeah. No. Take that look out for it. I feel like to get the parts so the car can drive. No, I'm fucking with that. Hey folks, what up? We outside with the next one today, 10 times 10. And guess what? We're back with a Beamer, right? So today's job gonna be something it's gonna be a different type of situation. We gotta get things done the right way, right? Well, with that said, we got low control arms doing on the rear of the car, right? So, I mean, each wheels use 2 control arms, so you know we got work to do, right? And with the back situation, you got an extra arm that make it 3. So with those, we're not changing the third arm. We replacing the bushings. It's a big control arm. We're just replacing bushings in that one, right? So it's something else that I want to show y'all guys. This to be specific. I thought this was smaller, but I'm happy I bought these because this is really important. I mean, I'm changing the entire setup in the back, so this needed to be replaced also, but I got this, folks. And guess what I got today? I got the power steering pump. Yo, let me get one of that. Guess what I got today? I got the power steering pump actuator that been leaking the whole time. So you're going to see me putting in that, folks. And hopefully, after all that, we can get to drive this car. And it'll be a better drive than we had before. And it will be no leaks. Right? So with that said, let's get to work. You get. Eh? Go easy, man. Yeah, man, people look on it. It go viral, but then look, we get this with a mile. Yeah, that one, if first with a 10,000 there already.
The one in the engine?
No, this. Yeah, man.
What the engine?
The engine, I think I 2,700. Something like that. These are 1,700.
Yes, sir.
This should be top, man.
Because people are wanting to buy one.
Yeah, man, I'm going to buy more though. I'm going to look on the car this way. Okay, right now you want to see people look, buy a Supra. Better than a Supra. Everybody. Even nice, I know.
top off of your thing, so.
I still want to wait long time and like my mom this thing I'm at so.
You know? Got it. Alright. One more thing now. That 10 to 50 and then we try and take out the board. You! Come here, boy. Why you say so? Why you say that? Why? Oh, yeah. Oh.
Go for my pry bar and I'll pull it pry at the same time. That means I pry bar from the side there.
Yeah, bushing press different from bargain press. So next we can ask no, this is turn only. Take it together. Alright, definitely we jack up the next side and take it out and just bring it go the next and just bring it up.
Make ox peel if you have one press.
You know how we give it to she don't use it because they have a boss in it.
You don't want chisel pan this thing. So the next thing is bring up and
You know that press out. Make ox. Yep, folks, all of that work, we put in all of that work, I'm telling you, right? So guess what happened now? We took out the lower control arms and we had things going good, right? We got the upper arms changed, the tools are, you call it the side ones, not the upper arms are. Yeah, the upper arm and the side one changed. And after that, the bushings for the lower one bushing fit and the second one don't fit. And second of all, the bushing press that we had to press the bushing in doesn't work for this setup. So yeah, we didn't get the lower control arm completed, but they're still in good condition. Car riding good, everything feels good, honestly. So but that said, folks, you know what I'm saying, I'll see you on the next video. If y'all can be good, be safe. Until next time, peace.